Toby, did you hear that small sound? It sounds like a puppy crying nearby.
Stay beside me while we check carefully.
Hello, little one. Please do not be scared. Oh, she is so tiny and wet. She looks scared, cold, and very tired.
She may be lost and far from home.
Do not be scared. We will help you. Look, she has a small red collar.
It said Lucy. That must be her name.
Her name is Lucy, and I love it. Where is her home? Someone must miss her.
We cannot leave her out seed in this weather.
Can we take her home for now, please?
Yes, but we must find her family soon.
Huh? Who is this little guest in our kitchen?
Her name is Lucy, and we found her outside. We found her near the old fence after school.
She seems tired, but she looks okay.
Let us dry her first with this towel.
She is eating now. That is a good sign.
There is no phone number on her collar. Yeah.
Then, how can we find her owner?
We can call the animal shelter for advice.
Bring her tomorrow morning, and we will help.
Thank you, Miss Rose. We will bring her.
Why is Lucy going to the door now? Maybe she wants to go home tonight.
It is too dark tonight to follow her.
Tomorrow, Lucy, we will follow you safely.
Lucy is pulling us this way already. She knows where to go. She remembers home.
Let us stay together and walk slowly.
She stopped here at this old gate. This place looks empty and a little scary.
Maybe someone still lives in that house.
Hello? Is anyone here inside the house?
That sound is scary, Mom. We should check carefully, but stay together.
No one goes alone. We stay as a family.
Lucy is running to the porch now. She wants to go inside the house.
I see a small light inside.
Hello? We found your puppy outside.
Lucy? Is that really my Lucy? My little Lucy came back to me.
She missed you very much, Grandpa Joe.
Thank you for bringing her home to me. Well?
Do you live here alone in this house?
Yes. Since my wife passed away, I live alone.
I am sorry. That must feel very lonely.
Please come in for tea and rest. I have not had visitors for a long time.
Who is the girl in this old photo?
That is my daughter, Anna, when she was young.
Where is she now, Grandpa Joe?
Ja, jag hinner. I lost contact with her many years ago.
Do you know where she lives now?
I only have her old letters in this box.
There is an address here on this envelope.
Maybe we can find her with this address.
What if she does not want to see me?
Maybe she misses you too, Grandpa Joe.
We can try to find her, if you want.
Lucy led you here for a reason.
I can call Officer Dan for help.
I will check the old address carefully.
Thank you, officer. This means a lot.
I found a phone number linked to the address. Can we call her now, please?
Yes, of course, Joe.
Yes. We can call now, if you are ready.
Anna, it is Dad. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I missed you every day, my dear.
Is she coming to see him? Is she coming, Big Lady?
She is coming tomorrow. I cannot believe it. My heart is beating so fast today.
It will be okay. Lucy is with you. Someone is here. A car just stopped.
Dad? Is that really you?
The lost puppy brought my family home.